Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Rabbit's Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rabbit's Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your wallet already, go ahead and log in using your seed or your key. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to choose your wallet. After tapping on your wallet, enter your password or provide your biometric, and you will be logged in and taken to your wallet page. From this page, if you wish to delete this wallet, tap on the settings option at the right side, and now you will see the remove wallet option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see the remove wallet option. If you tap on the yes button, this will delete your wallet and you will only be able to recover this wallet using your seed key or your phrase. So before you perform this next step, make sure you withdraw all of your funds from your wallet. After tapping on yes, you will be logged out from your Rabbit's Wallet account and taken into the login as well as sign up page. If you tap on import wallet and use your seed key, you will once again be able to access your wallet. However, in order to delete your account permanently, you can also delete the seed key that you have saved. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Rabbit's Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.